OpenAI has been cooking up something big in their labs, and it's called ChatGPT-5. This snazzy artificial intelligence language model is here to shake things up in the world of natural language processing and machine learning. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about ChatGPT-5? Well, my friends, it's the shiny new successor to ChatGPT-4, and it's packing some serious improvements. With its enhanced capabilities, ChatGPT-5 is ready to rock our world and transform the way we interact with AI. It's like the cool older sibling who's about to show us all how it's done. So what kind of impact can we expect from this chatty genius? Buckle up, because we're diving into different domains where ChatGPT-5 is about to make waves. From education to entertainment, customer service to automation, this AI powerhouse is set to leave its mark. How ChatGPT-5 works. ChatGPT-5 draws upon its extensive training on a diverse dataset of text and code, forming the foundation for its impressive capabilities. This extensive corpus of information equips ChatGPT-5 with the ability to generate text, translate languages, and create various forms of creative content. Consequently, it exhibits a remarkable proficiency in producing poems, scripts, code, and other types of text-based compositions. Furthermore, ChatGPT-5 has acquired a deep understanding of context, enabling it to provide informative responses across a broad spectrum of questions. Whether the inquiries are straightforward or intricate, ChatGPT-5 excels at analyzing the context and generating relevant and accurate answers. This proficiency allows users to engage in meaningful conversations and acquire valuable information from the system. The integration of ChatGPT-5 with Google Search expands its knowledge base by granting access to real-world information. Consequently, ChatGPT-5 remains updated on current events, retrieves factual information, and delivers the latest and most precise data to users. Leveraging the extensive index of Google, ChatGPT-5 offers users a reliable and comprehensive source of information, further enhancing its capabilities as a conversational AI system. The impact of ChatGPT-5. ChatGPT-5's impact on various industries and fields is indeed profound and cannot be overlooked. In the field of education, ChatGPT-5 brings forth a potential for highly personalized and engaging learning experiences. By generating interactive tutorials, it can offer tailored guidance to students, providing them with invaluable feedback on their work. This heightened level of individualized instruction has the power to optimize learning efficiency and foster a deeper understanding of subjects, revolutionizing the way students absorb knowledge. Entertainment and virtual worlds also benefit immensely from ChatGPT-5's capabilities. It serves as a game-changer for the gaming industry by enabling the creation of realistic and immersive dialogue for characters in video games. The result is an elevated gaming experience with richer narratives and more lifelike interactions. Moreover, the model's ability to generate dynamic and interactive virtual environments allows users to engage with virtual worlds in real time, presenting exciting opportunities for applications in virtual reality. In customer service, ChatGPT-5 has the potential to reshape the way businesses interact with their customers. With its advanced chatbot capabilities, it can efficiently handle customer queries, providing accurate and effective solutions promptly. This heightened responsiveness can significantly enhance customer satisfaction, streamline support processes, and bolster customer retention. The integration of ChatGPT-5 into various industries holds the promise of increased automation by taking over tasks currently performed by humans, such as report writing, marketing material generation, and creative content production. The model can boost productivity and efficiency across different sectors. This could lead to significant time and cost savings for businesses, allowing them to focus on more strategic endeavors. Moreover, the application of AI in the stock market demands careful consideration to prevent potential disruptions. Ensuring proper regulation and safeguards becomes essential to protect sensitive financial sectors from unintended consequences arising from the misuse or misinterpretation of AI algorithms. To ensure the responsible and beneficial development of AI, it is imperative to address issues such as AI bias, data privacy, cybersecurity, and sustainability. Developers and users must adhere to ethical guidelines, embracing transparency, fairness, privacy, and accountability in AI systems. Robust cybersecurity measures need implementation to safeguard against potential threats and ensure the protection of sensitive data. Additionally, efforts to mitigate AI bias through the use of diverse datasets and fair algorithms are crucial to avoid perpetuating discriminatory outcomes. By fostering an inclusive and unbiased approach, AI can be harnessed to deliver equitable solutions across diverse populations. The future of ChatGPT-5. As ChatGPT-5 continues to evolve and improve, its impact on society is poised to be even more significant than its predecessors. This advanced language model has the potential to reshape industries, revolutionize human-computer interaction, and unlock new possibilities for innovation. With ongoing advancements and further development, ChatGPT-5 may find applications in areas that we have yet to fully imagine. While it is challenging to predict the exact trajectory of ChatGPT-5, one intriguing possibility for its future development lies in the utilization of video content. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has highlighted the great potential of video content in achieving true artificial general intelligence (AGI). By incorporating video as a modality for AGI research, future iterations of ChatGPT could tap into the vast and diverse source of information that videos provide, enabling even greater capabilities in processing and understanding data. Video content offers a wealth of information that extends beyond what can be captured through text alone. It contains visual cues, gestures, facial expressions, and audio elements that convey meaning in a nuanced manner. By incorporating video into the training and development of AI models like ChatGPT-5, we can enhance their ability to understand and interpret complex narratives and contextual nuances. The integration of video content into AI research could lead to significant advancements in a wide range of fields. For instance, in the domain of healthcare, ChatGPT-5's ability to process and analyze medical imaging videos could aid in early disease detection, improve diagnostic accuracy, and support more precise treatment planning. Similarly, in the field of autonomous vehicles, ChatGPT-5's understanding of video data could enhance object recognition, decision-making processes, and overall safety. Moreover, video-based AI technologies can have a transformative impact on the entertainment and media industries. By leveraging ChatGPT-5's video processing capabilities, filmmakers and content creators could generate realistic virtual worlds, seamlessly integrate special effects, and create more immersive experiences for audiences. Video-based AI tools could also assist in content creation by automating repetitive tasks, such as video editing and post-production processes. The potential applications of video-based AI technologies extend beyond specific industries and have broader societal implications. For instance, in the realm of education, incorporating video content into ChatGPT-5 could enable more interactive and engaging learning experiences. Students could benefit from video-generated tutorials, virtual simulations, and personalized feedback that cater to their individual learning styles. Furthermore, video-based AI technologies could facilitate cross-cultural understanding and language learning by providing real-time translations and interpretations. ChatGPT-5 marks a remarkable advancement in the world of artificial intelligence. Its impressive abilities to comprehend intricate narratives, produce top-notch responses, and seamlessly integrate real-world information through Google search make it an incredibly powerful tool with boundless applications. Whether it's in education, entertainment, customer service, or content creation, ChatGPT-5 has the potential to reshape multiple industries and redefine our interactions with AI. However, as we embrace these cutting-edge advancements, it's essential to acknowledge the ethical considerations and challenges that come along. Responsible and beneficial AI development requires us to tackle issues like deepfake disinformation, cybersecurity threats, data privacy, bias, and sustainability. The key lies in collaboration among all stakeholders to establish ethical guidelines, implement robust cybersecurity measures, address bias, and encourage sustainable practices.